my name is Mikayla Snow, and today I'm going to be doing a toy unboxing of Cutetitos. I'm really excited to open these because my boyfriend bought one for me one night while we were looking through like the board game section, and we found these little guys, and I was so intrigued because they're shaped like a little burrito, but there's a little friend inside, and they even come with their own tortilla. So if you followed me on Instagram, you would have seen my boyfriend unbox one of these on my store, and this is the one we got. At first I thought it was like a little seal or a puppy or something, but it's actually like a little kitty. So you open the burrito and here is your little friend, and they even got a little spicy mark on them, and that basically just means how rare they are. There's the mild, medium, hot, and super spicy. So the super spicy ones are the ones we're looking for today. So I bought 9 of these. I bought the entire stock at Target to see if we could find a super rare one, but I also really want the donkey. His name is Flopito and he's hot. So he's also gonna be pretty rare, but I'm excited to see what we get. So let's get to the unboxing. They also have a little number up here, so I'm wondering if that will tell me what it is. So this one is 12-0-19, 12-3-19, 11-6-19, 12-19. Ooh, these are the same. I hope they're not the same guy. 11-2-19, 12-2-19, 12-3-19, 12-8-19, and 11-5-19. I'm really excited. So let's get to unboxing these guys. Am I ready? Did I get enough pictures for this thumbnail? Okay, so here is the first one. Okay, so look how freaking cute it is. It comes in a little burrito tin. So let's see. It's so cute because it comes off like this. Oh my gosh! Okay, what is this little guy? He's a dolphin. Oh my gosh, we got a super spicy one right at the start. Oh my gosh, look how cute he is. Oh, wow. Okay, so this one was 12-0-19, so maybe that means you'll get a rare one if you get that one. And we'll start lining them up over here. That's so exciting. Oh my gosh, we got a super spicy. Okay, so the next one we have is 12-3-19. Okay, let's see what this guy is. Oops. It's a little puppy, I think. Let's see. Chihuahuito. This is so hard to say. But he is a medium, so he's got a little purple chili on his butt. And look at these little ears. So he could come hang out next to Dolphin. And I just love the little tortilla that they come with. I just love eating them. Anyone? Like, I remember when I was little and like there's no food in the house and you're just like waiting for your parents to come home and you just like have a tortilla because they're like the tastiest snack. Okay, next, 11-6-19. Okay, let's see. The parrot! Oh my gosh! He's so beautiful! Look at that. Okay, and then he's got the little red chili on him because he's a hot one. Burrito! I love my little Beanie Baby collection. Such a throwback. This is 12-2-19. Oh, is this a puppy? Or is it a bear? What are you? Burrito! Okay, so Burrito is also Fuzzito, and he's on a medium. So he's got a purple chili. The turtle! Oh my gosh, this one's so cute! Okay, so this is Shellito, also known as Turtleito, I guess. And he's a medium, so he's a little medium chili to match his little purple. Oh my gosh, he's so cute! Look at his little tongue sticking out. That's adorable. Oh my gosh, super cute. Can you see all these little guys? Okay, next we have 12-0-19, and it's a repeat, so I'm hoping it's not another dolphin, but in that case then we do know that the numbers on the top are specific to like the guy you're gonna get. Let's see. So we're right, so this is another dolphin. So the numbers on the packaging do correlate with the ones you're gonna get. That's super cool. I would have bought a different one if I had seen the numbers, but there's only 9 at my Target because there was 2 trays and one of the trays was already sold out. So I was lucky just to get the 9 that come in the box. So next we have 12-3-19. So this guy is this another toe? Did we already get a 12-3-19? We did, dang it! So this is a repeat. Oh man, but he's still really cute in his burrito. Luckily, I don't think we've gotten any mild yet, so that's really exciting still. Okay, so next we have 12-8-19, and we haven't done one of these yet, so hopefully he'll be something interesting. Okay, so let's see. What is it? Oh my gosh, it's a koala. Okay, so this, oops. So he is like a mild character, but he's still really cute because he's a koala. Look at him. Okay, perfect. And I'm right next to the turtle. Everything's a mess. Are we down to the last one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're down to the last one. Okay, so, oh my gosh, we still haven't gotten the donkey. I just wanted the donkey. Please be the donkey. So let's see if this is the donkey. Cross your fingers, everyone. Okay, please be the donkey. Okay, we don't know. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Let's see. Dang it! Wait, is this another turtle? Wait, what is this? No, it's a narwhal! Oh, cute! Okay, so it's not a donkey, but it's still really cute. So oops, these are so top heavy. This is like almost addicting as gambling because I really want that donkey. Okay, so these are all of the friends we got. We got Surfito, and that one's super spicy. Chihuahuaito, and he's a medium one, so he's a purple chili. And then we got Perito, and he's like a little rainbow bird. He's also hot. Then we have Fuzzito or Berryto, and he's also a medium, super cute. And we got a Shellito, which is a turtleito, medium. So we got all the mediums, and he's just a cute little turtle. And then we got a Huggito, Koalito, and he is a mild one. You know, mild sauce from Taco Bell, pretty yummy. Next, we got Zippito, which is the narwhal, and he's a hot one. And then also we have Cutetitos, which is my first one that my boyfriend got me. Okay, so lined up, this is how rare they are. So here are all of our friends. I'm super happy that we got a super, super rare right on our first one, but I'm disappointed that we didn't get a donkey. That's the one I was really looking forward to. I'm glad I could get a little Shellito because this is the one my boyfriend liked. And this one looks straight up like a regular Beanie Baby. It's so crazy. Like this like 90s gradient is everything. Also, comment down below which one's your favorite and let me know if you guys want me to do a giveaway of these guys. So I'm super happy with this haul. We got a bunch of rare ones, so that was super exciting. Comment down below if you like toy unboxings and if you think I should do more, or if you have any suggestions on different kinds of toys I should unbox. I really like doing the mystery ones where you have no idea what you're gonna get. Anyway guys, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please click that like button. It really helps me out. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I don't know if I'm family friendly channel enough for this to do good. Look how cute they are. Go for it, Nick. You won't know what reference I'm singing about. Look how cute. They're so cute. I spent too much money on stuffed animals. Don't tell my boyfriend. Just kidding. He's already probably watching this right now. Hi.